How to fix CapCut issues, like no internet connection or templates not working like that. This is the simple steps, and you can easily fix this issue. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser. Search for CapCut signup. Now you can see official signup page. Click on it. Now try to sign up here using email or Facebook, whatever the preferred choice you. After sign up, you need to a good VPN. For that, go Play Store and install any good VPN. I recommend you to use TurboVPN or SpeedVPN or any good VPN. After installing VPN, connect VPN. Now you can use CapCut peacefully. Hopefully this problem will be resolved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video. Thanks for watching.